Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruise. You can see here, this is a great bit of kit. When you're doing a Harley, okay, you've got to hold the pulley to undo the nut. Okay, you know, your main pulley nut output shaft. So what you're going to do, you're going to put this tool on that we've modified, or you can do one yourself if you like. But this particular tool is adjustable, so you can screw this down into the two teeth like this. Okay, you are going to be coming on obviously from this side, because that is the way this thing's going to fit. And then obviously when you do this up, you know, it's solid, because that's what I use on the videos. If you want to watch my videos, I do use this tool. Okay, so if you're interested, give us a call. 01773 835 666. We'll also hold other clutches, etc. Obviously this thing's pretty adjustable size wise, you know, goes down to that sort of size. It is a flywheel holder anyway that we've just modified. But great bit of kit. It does work, as you can see from the videos when I'm doing all this stuff, you know, when I'm changing pulleys, belts, all that stuff, you know, ideal for doing this. But a bit awkward with one hand and the camera. There you go. So that's got it, which will be this way around obviously. So what you can do is just put this onto the pulley, where obviously you could have it the other way around as well. So if you wanted to, you could go on the pulley backwards, you know, like this, and put it on like that. It's a great bit of kit. As I say, I've used them. I made this originally, and now we are going to start selling them. So if you're doing a pulley on a Harley, ideal tool. Thank you. 01773 835 666. CustomCruisers.com, and the new site customcruisers.eu.